Alright, hey, this is Hans yet again with a episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Hong Kong. This is Nissin Demae Ramen Exo Sauce Seafood. They've made a couple little changes in their packaging and the, what do you call them? The calories are different. So I thought that was kind of interesting. So here's our noodle block. We're dropping it in. And we are going to Happy Land right now. So, how's everyone doing? I'm doing all right. You know, today is March 12th, 2024. It's sunny, but it's windy, and there's a good chance of thunderstorms. So that's kind of fun. I like vaguely extreme weather. Yeah. Went out and tried to get some good shots of the weather. And yeah. Something to do. But yeah, I might have to go do that again, as my daughter Miriam would say. We comment all the time that she's got this strange accent. Like, my favorite one, when she was a little bit younger, she would refer to a screwdriver as a screw-driver. And she would talk, she still calls it not video, but video. She'd be like, Miles, are you gonna watch the video with me? Yeah. Mm. And what else? Gosh, she says all sorts of funny things. Oh yeah, and at the store, when you get a receipt, she always wants the receipt, and she calls it a receipt. Papa, can I have the receipt? What planet are you from, kid? We didn't tell you to talk like that. But it's freaking cute. Oh my god. My little sweetie. Yeah, she's at school. Miles is at school. The sun is raging. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go back out in this stuff. I think. I'm trying to think, what do I need to go out and do? But I was thinking, like, I needed to get something, and I can't think of what I could get. Oh yeah, I should go to the grocery store, and I should get new little Tupperware thingy. These things. I use these things constantly. And I use them also when I use the Holy Slicer for my, my garnish and stuff. And what happens, it's plastic, so it's kind of porous. And so it pulls, oh my god, the alarm clock. That used to wake me up when I was a teenager, folks. Saying it was time to go to school. Okay, it stopped. Good. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, that was my mom's alarm clock, and it would go off like that, and we had like a oil furnace up at the house. Still is one up there. My sister lives up at the house. And so there's an oil furnace up there, and so it's got vents, that blow out the forced air. And what's funny is that it's just got little slats on it, like really thin ones. And what my mom would do, oh my god, everything's going off. So what my mom would do when it was time for me to get up, so she wouldn't have to go down the stairs, she'd go like, bring, 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 it's time to get out of, time for school, bring, bring, bring. Oh my god. Leave me alone, I'm sleeping, I don't want to go to school. Luckily, we don't have that problem here because the kids love going to school. I don't know whose kids these are, folks. I detested getting up early. I detested going to school. I'm sure it'll change. I'm sure they'll get in the family way soon. That's what they used to call it for my older son. Oh, he'll be in the family way soon. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So this is XO sauce seafood. XO sauce is like, it's basically like a seafood and Chinese ham sauce, I believe, with like chili oil and stuff. It was invented somewhere in Hong Kong, and it's like there's all these like questions of like who was the original restaurant that came up with this stuff and blah 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 blah. Because that's just the way. Here's our noodle. These generally are really quite good. I'm getting that seafood right off the bat. This is the kind of seafood flavors some people really detest and some people are like me really enjoy. Uh-oh, my wife is off for lunch. It's good. Nice oiliness, nice flavor. I'm good with it. So let's plate this really quick. Do a quick spin with Rotato. By the way, I'm using my my fancy Demae ramen bowl from Nissin Foods. Look at that. Okay, so let's get this going real quick. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, don't do anything bad now. So there's that. Oh no, now that alarm clock remembered that it also has other things that it does. Got some pork. Uh-oh. Should work. Now I gotta figure out, I guess when I do the Rotato thing for this one I can... God, that's irritating. My God. See, this is what I had to deal with when I was a kid, folks. Don't worry. Don't worry. It'll be done momentarily. I promise you that. A little crushed red pepper. Boy, this is a way to get you moving quickly because of an annoying sound. A little sesame seed. And hey, that worked. And then I got a couple fish balls that are going to go right there. So there we are. This is the, what do you call it? XO sauce seafood. And this is a really good variety. I highly recommend trying this. Usually people are really gaga over the whole black garlic oil tonkatsu. I like this one quite a bit. So, yeah. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. Uh-oh. Well, thank you very much for watching. I gotta go. I gotta talk to my old lady. So this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.